The Infinix Note 100 Ultra pushes Infinix toward true flagship-class performance by blending cutting-edge hardware with ambitious features typically seen in much more expensive phones. It boasts a large curved AMOLED display with a high refresh rate, 120 Hz or up to 144 Hz in some versions, that delivers smooth visuals and vivid colors for gaming, streaming, and daily use, while its premium glass and metal design gives it a refined look. Under the hood, flagship-grade chipsets such as the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus, and in some rumors even Dimensity 9400, paired with generous RAM, often up to 12 GB or more with virtual expansion, and up to 1 TB of fast UFS storage, ensure responsive multitasking and high-end performance. Photography is a standout, with a 200 MP main camera with OIS, optical image stabilization, coupled with ultra-wide and auxiliary sensors, enabling detailed shots and 4K per 8K video recording for creators. Powering all this is a massive battery, ranging up to around 8,000 to 8,900 mAh in some reports, with extremely fast charging support, often 120W, 180W, so the phone can recharge quickly and last through heavy use. The device runs Infinix's XOS on Android 14 in most variants, offering rich software features, 5G connectivity, stereo speakers, in-display fingerprint security, and other modern flagship staples. While some spec details vary by region or leak, the Note 100 Ultra clearly aims to deliver flagship-level performance, photography, battery endurance, and premium design at a disruptive price point.